Hey guys, welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly, where this week we'll be diving into the MaxRef DES 104, more easily articulated as Maxim Integrated's Health Sensor Platform 3.0. This isn't the first Maxim Integrated development kit we've reviewed on DevKit Weekly, nor the first one that focuses on the healthcare sector. Back in 2019, we took a look at the company's Max 86150 EV Sys kit that targets mobile heart rate monitoring using ECG and PPG sensors. The Health Sensor Platform 3.0 takes that concept into a wearable form factor that integrates those same sensors as well as a skin temperature sensor that make it an ideal starting point for those of you developing personal fitness devices, patient health monitors, and so on. Of course, the heart of the kit is the Max 86176 optical photoplethysmogram and electrocardiogram electroencephalography biopotential measurement analog front end, aka a 2-in-1 ECG and PPG sensor. The Max 86176 is a clinical grade dual channel data acquisition system that integrates an ADC to combine fine grade resolution with ultra low power consumption. It features a 256-word FIFO, dedicated signal paths for the ECG and PPG measurement data, 2 configurable interrupts, and both high-speed SPI and I2C interfaces. For PPG use cases like wearable heart rate detection, oxygen saturation, and body hydration, the Max 86176 offers a signal-to-noise ratio of up to 110 decibels, supports frame rates from 1 frame per second to 2,000 frames per second, and makes use of high-resolution 20-bit charge integrating ADCs. On the ECG side, for applications like AFib and arrhythmia detection, chest band heart rate monitors, or single-lead wireless patient monitors, and even biometric authentication, the AFE sensor offers advantages such as 15.6 ENOB, or effective bits, with a 0.6 microvolt root mean square noise over the 0.05 to 40 Hz range, a fully differential input structure with a common mode rejection ratio greater than 110 decibels, and a DC offset range of plus or minus 1300 millivolts that supports a wide variety of electrodes, and an AC dynamic range of greater than 90 millivolts peak to peak that prevents saturation in the presence of motion. All that with a typical shutdown current of just 0.5 microamps. As mentioned, the HSP 3.0 also includes the Max 30208 digital temperature sensor, which is on its own sensor board within this housing and provides clinical grade accuracy within 1/10 of a degree Celsius. Equipping an I2C interface, it too supports a shutdown mode of just 0.5 microamps. On the processing front, the Health Sensor Platform 3.0 includes another board with the Bluetooth 5 enabled Max 32666, a dual-core 96 MHz ARM Cortex-M4F with 1024 kilobytes of internal flash, 560 kilobytes of internal SRAM, and floating point capabilities. The kit also contains a high reliability part, the ARM Cortex-M4 based Max 32671, which also sports an FPU alongside 384 kilobytes of flash and 160 kilobytes of SRAM. This device serves as the primary sensor data processing center of the HSP 3.0, as it contains heart rate, oxygen saturation, and ECG algorithms that are applied to inputs from the aforementioned sensors and then streamed out over Bluetooth, of course, managed by the companion 32666 device. These MCUs are obviously both power sensitive, but just to make sure batteries don't drain too quickly in the wearable applications in question, the kit also integrates a Max 20360 power management IC that contains 3 step-down outputs, 3 step-up outputs, and 3 LDO outputs for maximum power efficiency and reliability. Now, you might wonder how you're going to program this kit, given that it's housed in this 3D printed watch enclosure, and you probably don't want to destroy this, given there are contacts on here and on the underside. There are these well-positioned LEDs, and so on and so forth. Well, here, Maxim also has you covered via the MaxDAP Type-C USB-C programmer adapter board, which slots in nicely to the side of the wearable to give you all of the programming and debugging your heart could desire. But what about the wireless part of the design? After all, it will be streaming data somewhere, like a phone or something else that makes use of Bluetooth, right? Well, raw data and algorithm outputs from the HSP 3.0 make it to your development PC by pairing with this Cypress Semiconductor CY5677 CY Smart BLE USB dongle. Simply plug this into your development PC, download and install the MaxRef DES 104 software PC GUI program, and start logging data from the HSP 3.0's various sensors or onboard accelerometer, which of course is a must-have for any wearable device. Whoa, that's a lot to fit on one wrist. It's also all for now, because in order to get one of these, you'll have to fill out an NDA before purchasing. You can do that on the MaxRef DES 104 page of the Maxim website. Or you can try your hand in this week's raffle by filling out the form that's linked to on the screen or in the description below, and potentially add this smartwatch to your wardrobe for free. Remember, anyone in the world can register for a chance to win between now and the end of May. Anyway, we at DevKit Weekly hope you're staying safe and healthy out there, and obviously, Maxim does too. Good luck in this week's raffle, and we'll see you next week on DevKit Week.